In the last video, we talked over what 5S is and the introduction of 5 steps. Now let's study these steps in more detail. Seiri. In simple words, Seiri is to identify and segregate the things into 2 categories: things you need and things you do not need. But the problem with this approach is that we can always find a way to use the even most useless things. A practical approach to implement Seiri could be: ask what parts or tools are absolutely necessary to perform an operation and remove everything else from that station. So, when in doubt, throw it out. Next, confirm these absolutely required parts must be in OK condition. If not, identify them, then repair or replace them. Unwanted or broken tools are not going to improve the overall efficiency. Seiri is carried out with the following steps. 1. Divide the organization into several zones and assign a team of 5 to 6 people to each zone. Include office area, scrap yards, canteen, record room, everything. 5S is not meant only for the shop floor. 2. Let the team identify and separate all items which are not absolutely necessary for the concerned process. These separated items can further be divided into 2 categories. A. Where team can take decision by themselves to dispose or relocate the items. Let's call them quick win opportunities. And B. Where team cannot take decision to discard the items. 3. The items pending for decision should be identified by attaching a red tag and moved to a separate location, generally known as a red tag area. 4. Management takes decision on all the items in red tag area. Sometimes there could be an expensive equipment which has not been used in years, and taking decision could be difficult. For those times, I recommend going through the article Sunk Cost Fallacy. It may help to take the decision. But do not delay the decision here. It will kill the momentum. Once the decision is made, red tag can be removed. Make sure to keep a track of the number of red tags attached, that is, number of unwanted items pending for decision, and number of red tags removed, that is, decision made. 5. Once all the red tags are removed, congratulate your team for the space saving, inventory reduction, and a cleaner workplace. And finally, decide the timing for the next round of Seiri. You see, that's a lot of steps in doing Seiri. But if you are a smaller organization where everyone knows everyone, you don't need multiple red tag areas or even multiple red tag teams. So technically, you can also sort out the steps you think you don't need. Just remember the purpose of Seiri and keep it super simple. Once you are done with the sorting, we will move to the next step, that is Seithon. Let us study that in the next video.